I would like to share my experience with Credo. I find Credo's early learning solution extremely well researched, scientifically developed, and well designed. I think the Credo home learning solution is a fantastic innovation for today's times. It is extremely helpful for parents who are struggling to ensure that their child starts with the right education even in the midst of the pandemic. We are extremely impressed and excited by the set of toys in the Practivity set and also the books. Each of them is meticulously well planned and designed and manufactured. Very high quality of materials and extremely rigorous in terms of the content. Children in the Tugbuk Shikshan program are greatly enjoying the toys. Parents are finding that children who were finding very difficult to actually sit for any length of time are now sitting very comfortably and playing with the toys and learning the concepts while they are enjoying themselves. And this is what parents greatly appreciate. The concepts are getting built very nicely with the games, with the amazing toys that there are, and then these concepts really get reinforced through the books that have been provided. The books also have a very nice pattern in which they reinforce the concepts and also give a fair amount of challenge to the child by way of a variety of exercises, and there's also a great deal of fun thrown in into the books with fun exercises which accompany the concept building part, so children really enjoy doing all of that along with the practice of the concepts. The activity planner and app really help a parent structure their time well with a child and to actually deliver the entire curriculum in a very systematic and yet efficient manner, because all the activities in the Practivity set and the books are mapped with the corresponding audio, video files and text instructions which are there in the app, and it's very helpful for the parent to follow the app systematically and deliver all the learning outcomes to the child in a very stress-free, comfortable manner. The Credo content and training team has been extremely prompt and helpful. They have spent hours training our team with respect to each and every aspect of the curriculum and explaining everything very thoroughly and in great detail. I really thank them for the patience they have shown and also their passion for the content and to ensure that it really gets delivered with very high quality standards to each and every customer. We feel extremely privileged to be partnering with Credo for the Tugbuk Shikshan program, and we are looking forward to the beautiful journey that we have started together.